Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this episode, I will teach you how to add WhatsApp chat in your WordPress website. If you want to add WhatsApp chat in your WordPress website but you don't know how to do it, then this episode will help you a lot. So let's get started. At first, go to your WordPress website and then plugin and add new button. And then search the plugin name WhatsApp. Here is our plugin named Click to Chat by Holy Themes. Now click Install Now button and then activate this plugin. After activate this plugin, you will see a new option named Click to Chat menu. Now click here. Now we have to set up this plugin with our WordPress website. At first we have to select a country. Now enter your WhatsApp number. I will enter my WhatsApp number. Now scroll down and enter your message for the customer that you want to show. Now scroll down and select a position or style. Here is a many style you can select, but I will select style 2, which is default. Position type fix, and then position to place bottom and right bar. Now scroll down and for URL structure I will select new tab. For desktop and URL structure is default, and then for mobile URL structure is also default, but you can select WhatsApp web. And then for display setting you can select hide or show for desktop and mobile. I will select show for both desktop and mobile, and I recommend you to do it. Now click to show for home page, click to hide for post page, click to show for pages, and click to hide for archive page. Same, click to hide for a category page and 404 pages. You can also select show in 404 page, category page or archive page, but I recommend you to choose hide for both pages. And then scroll down and click to save change button. Now go to your website and reload the page, and then we can see a WhatsApp chat menu in our website. Successfully we add WhatsApp chat in our WordPress website. So I hope you can now install WhatsApp chat in your WordPress website. Hope you like this video. See you in next video. Thank you for watching this video.